Welcome, in front of me is a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into boot mode. And to get started, you'll want to hold the power key and select power off. Once the device turns off, you want to then hold power key and volume up, both keys at the same time. So let's give it a moment. Power key and volume up. There we go. And that's the boot mode. So in this mode you will need to use only volume up to navigate. As you can see, the arrow moves up, basically cycles all the way down and then back to the top. And then once you are ready to confirm whatever is selected, press volume down. And just going briefly over this, we have recovery mode, fast boot mode and normal boot as an option. So, because I want to leave this mode, there's not much more to show. I'm going to select the last option, which is normal boot, and then volume down to confirm it. And there we go. As you can see, we're now back in the Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.